Emakhosini siyacamakusha. This is the power of healing with Uthabi Ungowekhethelo. Guys, angazi noma I'm the only one o-observayo or mhlambe yimi ngedwa oba worried ngezinto ezithize, especially when it comes to abantwana, guys. I saw a video batho bani Mweketsi Mphuthi, ne? Guys, so I saw that child and I got worried ukuthi kanti why singabomama sisheshe give up? You know, I hate the statement yokuthi ngizwe umama athi ngizame konke. Unamanga. You didn't try as much as you should have. Guys, have you noticed ukuthi le ingane kuthiwa zidla ama-drugs ezingamaphara seyilala ey'tradeni seyilala ey'ntabeni abanye khona nje okhavarwe umhlabathi all over that I've seen. Have you noticed ukuthi bekuyila bantwana abahlakaniphile, bekuyila bantwana aba-humble, bekuyila bantwana aba-respectful, bekuyila bantwana ekhaya abancedayo? Why? Bese uthi uzame konke? Seriously? Guys, why are we acting naive? Why are we acting naive to izinto zama-spirits? To izinto zemimoya? Why are we acting naive? Yazi, I don't have a problem with somebody saying mina prayer warrior. But if you've prayed for something, guys, for 2 months, uJehova engimaziyo uyakunika ama-signs of how to resolve the thing. Uyakukhomba indlela lapho uzothola usizo. Engimaziyo mina, ngimazi wena. Because awukwazi angimazi lo mina okuthiwa uyaphuza ukuphendula, angimazi. I'm sorry. Angimazi lo kuthi uyaphuza ukuphendula. Uyakunika ama-signs. Uyakunikeza, uyakukhomba indlela. Umuntu ongalandeli uwe nomuntu onganaki uwe. But you pray every night. Akunikeza i-answer yalento oyithandazelayo still awuboni. Nina ngithi nifuna zafike qathatha ame-dining room ekhaya. Angazi ungammela yini mase kangangena ngomnyango. But then namathonga kini akubonisa, akunikeza ama-answers, akunikeza ukuthi hamba kubani, bakubonisa umuntu. Nina guys, you act naive, ni ignorant. Asilibekeni nje ngembaba, ni ignorant. Awukwazi ukukhuleka guys. Yes, angithi hayi God will take care of everything. Sometimes God says I'm tired. I'm tired because noma ngikubonisa uboni wena. Bonke labantwana, I'm getting worried. Akusabantwana ukuthi bebehluphana. Abahluphayo basahlupha. Laba ba amaphara yilaba abahlakaniphile, yilaba bebene bright future yilaba. You know, I saw a boy. Angazi noma uzongikhumbula yini, but so I had to explain, I'm a medium and a shaman. I-ora yalo yamntwana I said to him, abantwana abase UJ. So I have this thing now that whenever I go to a campus square, I sometimes give them a one-on-one. I said to this boy, I-ora yakho mntanami, you were born for greater things. Ukhazimule ngikubona kuwe. And that child, he didn't even know Shem ukuthi yini medium, but the friend I think knew. So yazi ispirit salo mntwana, isoul yalo mntwana, ukukhanya kwalo mntwana bazokuthatha abantu abakwaziyo ukubona, because thina abazali si ignorant. Guys, I want to say this and we in a polite manner, and njengomzali ziyakhala emares. Guys, ziyakhala emares. Labantwana ngeke baze ba practice ama rituals esikolweni in primary school bese ngicabanga ukuthi abawa practice emares. Labantwana ngeke ba practice bakwazi ukupractice ama rituals ema primary school bese nithi ninemaresi kuyithulele nje abapractice bayafunda. Angithi imkhuba bayithatha imkhuba phela bayiqalwa from le charity begins at home. Iy'ngane ey'hlakaniphile yize ey'hlanyayo, iy'ngane beyi-polite, iy'ngane bezi-respectful, yizo ezikuma-drugs shiqe yize ey'hlanyayo. Ningazodlala ngathi nina. Nadlala ngey'mpilo zey'ngane zenu nje. Umuntu athi hayi mina sengizame konke sengimnikele enkosini. Hawu! Inkosi yokushayela kona lokho ukuthi ngikunika i-responsibility. Mina guys, I've always said this. You know, when I saw a video kaJayden, you know what did I say to my son? I was crying. Ngambiza ngathi yabona mfana, ilapho mama azoba isigebengu semonster. The day kuthiwa kuthinteke wena ilapho engiyoba isigebengu semonster esinzima. Ilapho khona even my ancestors know there's going to be a shift. Hayi ngowami. Because angikwazi ukushaya induku eyodwa kabili. Angikwazi ukushaywa induku eyodwa kabili. Yabona. So nje guys man. Hey man singenza kangcono. Why kuyilabantwana abahlakaniphile guys? Yazi it's unfortunate that ingane zenu mangiyisiza with all these spiritual attacks and everything, it takes a toll on my body, and ngiyayifila because physically I get sick. But hey ngumntwana guys, ngiyahlanya, I'm sorry. Ngumntwana kunalento evukayo ekhanda lami. Yekelani ukuthi nizameni konke, awuzamanga unamanga. You just went to friends wayokhala wayemndenini uyangihlupha lona usile uyatshontsha manje wamshutha wamfaka ku social media. That's all you did. Now umzamo uzamile. Wahamba ne boot camp ayizukusiza izinto ezispiritual. I just wanna say ne boot camp yokuthi umntwana wesoda ayizukusiza izinto ezispiritual, ayizukulwa nama spiritual attacks. Nihlala nama-monitoring spirits ezindlini zenu, iy'ngane zenu zahamba zivike zigqoke. Angithi kunabo nithini bathini lento yabo. Inenye ithemu mina ngazi kuyi-dress up, but inenye ithemu i-service. Kune-service ey'kolweni umntwana akhe agqoke into ezinhle zibe nama-label. Angithi umntwana akhe ubizwa for ama-awards, angithi ey'kolweni uhlala khona for ama-awards, and kuno ama-awards khona abanye abazali. And iy'ngane ziyaxoxa emakhaya. Bese wena utho wakho uzoba right. Ngizame konke. Guys, yabona the day umuntu avuka phaphama, arealize i-reality esiphila kuyo, that will be the day uzokwazi ukuthi ukulwa into enjani. But ungathi uzame konke guys. Uhambile nje wena wayokhala wampelanta the way atshontsha ngakhona wamplanta, not even trying. Because yazi ukuthi yini into engiyirealizile ngale ngane, abantu they act too late. Mayisaqala uya-ignora aphika yenzeni, they act too late. But into engizoyisho, a spiritual war is a spiritual war. Ungamusa ku boot camp ubize abantu abafamous abangakanani baze bamtrap umntwana baze bamenze islima, umfake ema-TV, kodwa kusalayo you tried nothing. Nifuna ukudila nama-branches not nama-roots, ne-root of the problem. Thandani iy'ngane zenu, thanda iy'ngane zakho man, thanda iy'ngane zakho.